Imagine a world where your ERP system updates itself, reducing IT headaches. NetSuite, being 100% cloud native, offers this seamless experience, unlike Epicor's complex hybrid model. Epicor's hybrid approach often leads to costly upgrades and support issues. In contrast, NetSuite's architecture ensures your investment is future-proof with automatic enhancements. NetSuite provides a unified platform with native CRM, e-commerce, and HR capabilities. This integration streamlines operations, unlike Epicor, which requires additional integrations. With NetSuite, real-time data flow and analytics are standard, empowering informed decision-making. Epicor's reliance on add-ons complicates this process, hindering efficiency. NetSuite's SuiteScript and workflows allow intuitive customization without downtime. Epicor, however, demands expertise in .NET/BPMs, often requiring planned downtime for changes. The vast NetSuite developer community accelerates innovation, offering best practices. Epicor's tighter community can slow troubleshooting and innovation. NetSuite supports multi-subsidiary, multi-currency, and multi-language operations natively. Epicor's limited global support often necessitates additional modules, increasing complexity. Real-time consolidation with NetSuite simplifies global growth, making it ideal for expanding businesses. Epicor's approach can be cumbersome and costly. NetSuite's subscription model eliminates hardware and upgrade costs, offering predictable pricing. Epicor's add-ons and integrations inflate long-term TCO, complicating budgeting. With NetSuite, scalable growth is supported by a transparent pricing model, ensuring cost efficiency. Epicor's complex pricing can hinder financial planning. Users praise NetSuite for its ease of use and modern interface. Unlike Epicor, NetSuite's upgrades preserve customizations, minimizing disruptions and enhancing productivity. Manufacturers report higher efficiency and fewer interruptions with NetSuite. By choosing NetSuite, you're investing in a future-proof solution that supports growth and innovation.